Today we're looking at a portable carbon monoxide detector designed to keep you and your family safe anywhere. Carbon monoxide is a silent killer. You can't see it or smell it. That's why having a reliable CO detector is so important. And this detector packs a lot of safety into a compact design. Included in the box, you have the detector inside of a nice protective bag, as well as your USB charging cable and your user manual. Inside of the protective bag, the detector is wrapped in a nice static-proof plastic. This detector features a high-precision electrochemical sensor with 1 ppm resolution, giving you real-time readings from 0 up to 1000 ppm. That's incredibly accurate, so you'll know immediately if there is danger. It is USB rechargeable with a built-in lithium battery. So no more buying and replacing batteries. That means it's convenient, cost savings, and it's better for the environment. The compact and lightweight design makes it easy to carry in your pocket, bag, or a glove compartment. Perfect for at home, RVs, camping trips, or even hotel rooms. It has a clear LCD screen that shows the CO levels, as well as an optional backlight that makes it even easier to see during the dark. And speaking of seeing in the dark, another great feature is a built-in flashlight, so you can safely inspect dark areas like tents, garages, or RV interiors at night. For a peace of mind wherever you go, this portable CO detector is a smart investment. Reliable, accurate, and easy to use. If you'd like to protect your home and travels from carbon monoxide, this is a detector that I would definitely check out. We have all of our links and details located in the description. And if you found this review helpful, make sure to give this video a like and let us know what your thoughts or questions are in the comments. That's going to wrap it up for this one. Thank you all so much for watching. If you haven't subscribed already, make sure to do so, and we'll be seeing you in the next review.